So this is our carpentry room. Children come to this room as their option. So they come twice a week. With the carpentry teacher, they learn how to touch tools and how to use them on materials. Like for example, this kid, who made this airplane? You made it. Okay. Can we talk about that here? This is Shiv Shakti from 5th grade, right? 6th grade. Come Shiv Shakti. Shiv Shakti from 6th grade. How long did you take this? Like 6 months. Yeah, that's nice. To make an airplane in 6 months at this age is really a good one. So they are making it. And these children can take these toys home when they go home at the end of the year. So this is like, these are the children, haven't have any guarantee that after a certain age they will continue university education. So they need to have all the hands-on practices. So when these children grow, they are ready to earn. No, this is actually a truck made by another 5th grader called Murugan. So the teacher allows, or he actually gives freedom to the child to choose whatever they want to make. It is actually, the idea is they are so creative and we give the chance and material to bring that creativity out. So just they manifest. Okay. So we have tailoring there, we have computer, we have clay work, we have everything. This is actually a great chance for children to put their hands on, and therefore when they grow up, when their physical growth make their parents to pull them out of academic life, these children are not going to go there and blink that, oh, what is this world? They know already everything. So anyone who goes out of IKM to the real world, they will not start from the scratch. They know what the rest of the world is talking. Actually, children after 9 years old can come here because, of course, teachers do have different levels of teaching, Then after a couple of years, then they will be allowed to touch sharp tools. Before that, it is more sanding and filing work. But after that, with the guidance of the teacher, they will. Children start here at the age of 3 and they end up when they are 13 and a half.